Good morning, my students, and here today we will talk the first class in BBB4M, the math part, which is balance of trade. Like I told you before, each country is having a balance of trade with other countries. Like, as example, Canada is having a balance of trade with China, which is including all the exports and the imports. Now, we will check out how the balance of trade work. Balance of trade equals, this balance of trade equals always the summation of or total of exports minus imports. So total exports minus total imports, as I told you in the class before. Okay, now the result of this is either one of two cases. If the exports are more than imports, then we will have something is called surplus, surplus, surplus. But if the exports were less than the imports, we will have deficit, deficit. So deficit will be negative and surplus will be positive. An example, suppose that the exports of a country, of any country, they have exports of $1 million, and this country is having imports of $500,000. So calculate the balance of trade and check out if there is surplus or deficit. Now the solution is, I will say, this is the solution. I will say balance of trade equals summation of exports, well, some books write it EX only, minus summation of imports, and they write the imports as IM only. Then that will come to exports are from the given $1 million minus the imports are $500,000. So I will have a positive, which is surplus of $500,000. Okay, this surplus means that my exports is more than my imports because my exports are more than or greater than my imports. Each country is trying always to let her exports more than her imports. Any country in the world, and this is the optimal situation, that the exports exceeds the imports. Thank you so much. We'll have a training in class. We'll have some exercises in class. Thank you.